when you really get to the heart of the matter when it comes to investing in stocks, well, stocks are essentially pieces of paper. We've defined this before already. It's pieces of paper that represent ownership in a business. Now, companies just don't get created because nature dictated that they should be. Um, Businesses are created to sell something, and especially businesses that are there with a focus to creating profit are created to sell something, whether it could be a product or a service that the owners of the company perceive that society is going to want, and not just want in little dribs and drabs, but in large quantities. So when you start getting into looking at companies, really the first fundamental question you have to ask yourself is what do they sell? And what are the core products and services that the company sells? Now, to answer this question, you can look at it from really two different perspectives. When you're starting looking at like larger companies, especially, you can answer it by looking at essentially how the company is structured, in the line of, because oftentimes companies are structured according to the products and services that they have. Like they'll have different divisions for each of their products and services, having different divisions. Other times, companies can get structured by geography, where certain product lines and certain products that the company can sell will be only available in a certain part of the world or under a specific region. So when you're trying to figure out how to answer this question, those are kind of the two kind of vantage points or perspectives that you kind of have to go at to answer. But the key thing is you got to understand, what do they sell? What is their value proposition? What makes them so unique and differentiated? What differentiates them from anybody else, any other company? Forget what industry. What differentiates them from any other company out there? So that's the first thing you got to ask yourself.